Today I'm going to show you the best way to change your IP address. It's really easy to do and it only takes a few seconds. All you need is a simple tool called a VPN. For this video, I'm going to demonstrate using ExpressVPN. To get ExpressVPN, just click the link in the description. It will give you an exclusive discount. When you click the red button on the home page, you'll automatically see the special prices, so you don't even have to enter a coupon code. Just pick a plan, check out, and download the installer to your device. The installation process is really quick. When it's done, launch the software. Log in using your credentials, and that's it. You're ready to change your IP address. To make it easy for you to see your current IP, I've included a link to my favorite IP checker tool in the description. Just give it a click and take a look. See how it detects your location? Now go to ExpressVPN and click the three dots to open up the server location list. Scroll down to find the country, or for easy access, type it into the search bar and hit enter. Select the country and then click the big connect button. That's it! Once you're connected to the VPN server, go to the IP checker tool and refresh. And look at that! You've successfully changed your IP address. Now any website you visit will think you're browsing from your new location. It really is that simple. See why I like VPNs so much? If you want to learn more, check the description for some useful links and some more information on what a VPN can do for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and follow our channel for more great content.